How to activate your account in Tantoo for directors and short-term nominee directors. Are you the company's director or short-term nominee director? Here's how to activate your account. First, open your mailbox and go to the invite. In the email, click on the link which will take you to Tantoo. Here you can see your company's name as well as your role in the company, whether you are a director or a short-term nominee director. All you will need to do is to fill up your particulars, create your password and re-enter the same password before hitting Save to activate your account in Tantoo. Click on Profile to view or change your personal information if you need to. And that's how you activate your account as a director or short-term nominee director in Tantoo.